Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you moral science. Before starting the chapter, we should know what is the meaning of moral science. What is the meaning of moral also? So listen carefully all of you. Moral means able to teach a lesson of how people should behave in their life, and we should know what is right and wrong. So, here we learn what we can be to live a good life. Now, let's start our first introduction chapter of moral science. I can. I can be good. Now, see carefully. I can be good. In this line, can is used for showing that it is possible for somebody to do something or has the ability to do something. Means if you have ability, then you can do anything. So students, we should be good to everyone. Even we should good to be animals and plants. Okay, now next line is I can be obedient. I can be obedient. Children, what is the meaning of obedient? Obedient means obey what you have been told to do by parents, teachers, and your elders. And children, remember, children, being obedient is very important for us students. So, we should always be obedient. Now, next is I can work hard. Next is I can work hard. Nothing is possible without working hard. If you want to achieve something, always ready for hard work. Now, next is I can speak the truth. Student, we should always speak truth because speaking the truth is rewarding. Rewarding means get prize. Actually, we know that no one can know that we are telling lies. But student, always remember, God eyes always on us. So speaking only the truth opens up new path in the life. See the next line. I can share with others. I can share with others. Do you know? Sharing is caring. Normally, we know that sharing is caring. So, we should always share our things with friend, family, and others also. Our next is I can be polite. I can be polite. Here, polite means having good manners and showing respect for others. This means everyone, people or animals also. So we should be polite with everyone. Now next is I can be healthy. I can be healthy. Students, do you know health is wealth? When we will be healthy, then our mind work properly. So we should always be eat proper food to be healthy. Student, if you want to be a healthy, please avoid the junk food and take your proper diet. Next is I can make the world better place. Yes, sure. This line for you. I can make the world a better place. You can. If you will determine that you can make the world a better place, but tell me how it is possible. Now listen carefully, all of you. By working hard, being good, polite, obedient, speaking the truth, and sharing your things with others. Okay, student, hope you understood. I can. That what you can do and how to make the world better place. Hope you understood. Okay, now I'm going to give you your homework. I can you have to write in your moral science notebook and learn it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.